Very natural. Yeah.
I was singing the same thing. I just didn't want to sing.
So that's like a ranch, more of a, like a ranch, or
This is ranch, yeah.
okay.
He has his dip. It's so good. I don't know why he hasn't brought it out.
What are these?
Is it the
Oh yeah, there you go. Try that. That's what's up.
Oh, damn. Is there anything I would use for a plate?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't want that. Oh, that. Okay, yeah.
What's that sauce? Honey mustard.
It's good.
Honey mustard?
All the sauce.
Well,
so what do you guys
we got some
do?
chicken over here.
We just
Sit down in your bottom.
So do I need to go order another chicken?
Look. I don't know.
Okay. Oh, and she brought a spray. I got you. Real Korean chicken. Here.
That's funny for me.
Oh, that one.
Ooh. Hot, hot, hot. You like French fries? Num num.
We need another order. She said she was gonna come. Oh, here she comes. More stuff.
They got
Oh, there's
busy.
more orders.
They really did.
Oh,
They were telling people were coming up, and she said 6:30, and they're like, okay, I'll come another day.
Yeah, that happens.
Alrighty. Yeah.
Oh, thanks, Laura.
Yeah, so trying to more fries.
Oh.
What?
Those fries are good. There you go, baby. Where do you go?
Well, it could be hot, honey.
Hot.
Oh, don't put it in your mouth.
This is what 46.
I know. I'm sorry.
More.
Ooh. There's Laura.
No, we still have sausage.
Yeah, what kind you want? We got barbecue. We got this homemade stuff.
1,000. Barbecue.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
You may have to
Uh-oh. No, don't do it with your mouth. Do it with your hand. That's good.
Oh, we got more. Here.
Yeah.
There we go. There you guys go.
These are hot. There you go.
There'll be plenty of food coming out, y'all.
You try that sauce on some chicken. That's really good.
Oh, that is good. Yeah, that mustard sauce. That's what we need.
Honey mustard. Yeah.
Oh,
Whoops. Son.
that's...
And grandkids.
Hey,
Come here, you. Very good. Lola. Here, babe.
It went down the hall. Dan's like, what the heck?
is there any honey mustard down here?
Thank you.
I need a short dip.
What do you want me to do?
Honey mustard.
Oh, let's get your fries.
Oh, that's good.
Hot.
He's never hungry. Honey mustard.
Yeah.
Very good.
5 to 5. Wow. Oh, you get 4 days off?
That's cool.
What 4 days do you get off this week?
We'll do the same. The first 2 weeks of the month we'll 4/12. And the last 2 weeks we'll always do Thursday, Friday.
Here,
I never have to work Friday. Never work another Friday.
Wow.
That's cool. It used to be I'd only wake up till 10 a.m. Now it's 10 a.m.
Now, so now you know what
4:10.
Oh, about 4:12.
I forgot to 10 hours. Especially.
I thought you
Like
knew
the whole last day.
I know, that's what I thought she was meaning.
Oh, yeah?
Is it like McDonald's?
It was